learning a bit about patterns with these crazy kids. And we've got Bob on our side and Jimmy on our left. Right, so kids, have you heard about patterns before? Do you know a bit about them?
No, a bit.
Alright, okay, not too comfortable, that's fine. Well, it's really easy actually. So patterns can be kind of everything. We can do a little bit of drums, a little bit of maths. But say if you do it with numbers, it's just you could do like a counting one. So patterns could be 1, 2. What number comes after 2?
3.
Very good. Let's try a bit harder. Maybe 50, 100. What number comes next? 150, right? And then if I said of letters, A, B,
C.
Really good. So it's just kind of knowing the first part of the pattern to give you the answers for the next part. Alright, so, right, Jimmy, can you go to the front? Really good. Can you draw a 1 for me? Yeah, and then a 2, and then a 3, and then a 4. Really good. And now, what number would come next? So if you put a little comma in between each of those, really good, what number would come next? Easy peasy. Now let's make it a little bit harder. I'm going to give you one on the own, okay? So if I went 3, what number goes in there? Absolutely genius, high five, really good, well done. Right, let's go to a pattern, okay? Right, so Jimmy, today we're going to learn a little bit about patterns as you know, but can you follow this pattern, okay? So you go snare, snare, right, right, min, floor, floor. Can you do that for me? Alright, you'll go. Alright. Really good. Now follow it with snare. Good, now can you do that pattern twice for me? Repeat it, all together. Well done, mate. High 10, go on. Yeah, really well done. Thank you very much for watching another video tutorial here today, and we'll see you at the next one. Thank you very much, guys. Well done.